If I have a financial power of attorney for mom's checking and she passes, can I liquidate it or does it go to probate?
Welcome to Barry's Bites. Please join our host, attorney and financial advisor Chris Barry.
If you have this financial power of attorney, a lot of people don't understand this, but that financial power of attorney upon death goes away. So the financial power of attorney, the medical powers of attorney upon death, those end. Those are only for incapacity. If someone passes away, those ends, you cannot utilize those. Those are only for when people are living. So your financial power of attorney, your medical power of attorney, that controls who can make decisions while you're alive. Upon death, those are done. So with that power of attorney, you would not be able to liquidate mom's checking or savings account upon death. So then we get into just plain estate administration. How do assets transfer upon death? But there's only 4 ways. One would be joint ownership. So yeah, you could name yourself joint, or you could be named joint on the checking account. That would avoid probate. Second would be through a beneficiary designation. And for checking and savings, typically at the bank, they'll call these either transfer on death or payable on death. They mean the same thing. Third would be through a trust. So the trust could be the owner of the checking savings account. The trust could be the beneficiary of the checking and savings account. But if it doesn't go through one of the first 3, then it ends up going into probate. And that's what we want to try to avoid. So we don't want probate. And also keep in mind, a will does not avoid probate. All a will does is gives instructions to the probate court. And I don't recommend joint ownership typically, because if you're named joint on mom's checking, savings account, real estate, mom is opening herself up to all of your potential liabilities. You get a divorce, lawsuit, creditor action, bankruptcy, you might need long-term care yourself. So typically what we recommend is a combination of things, of having the financial power of attorney. So this is to be able to pay mom's bills while living, and then either have a trust or beneficiary designations to make sure it avoids probate, goes where it's supposed to upon death. So having the financial power of attorney while mom's alive to be able to pay bills, and then either having a trust or beneficiary designations, make sure it avoids probate and the checking or savings account goes wherever it's supposed to go.